Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Katanica. Today we have this padlock, Chinese iron padlock, copy of three-circle padlock or circle. So we're gonna see what kinetic attack, simple kinetic attack does with such lock. As you see, the lock works, and the most important thing is, I don't know if, okay, you see, there is intact locking pole inside of the lock. It's single locking padlock, so it doesn't work properly anymore. And the most important thing is to see that the locking pole is still in working order. Why? Because many YouTubers, especially from Asia, make videos about those locks, how easy they are to open by using kinetic attack, but they never show locking pole. So if you don't show locking pole, you see. Let's see, does it work? Is it? This is a garbage lock, I can tell you. And I don't know if I could turn the key anymore. I don't think so. But all in all, you see that the locking pole is intact, is in intact condition. So when I lock it and take the key out, see the cylinder, it's completely worn out. And as you see, it doesn't move. It doesn't open by using huge amount of force. So the lock works no matter the condition outside. Inside it's still a locked padlock. So we're gonna see what it takes to kinetic attack, to use, we're gonna see what it takes to open it by using this wrench and simple kinetic attack, which isn't hard at all. So let's jump to the stump and make that kinetic attack. Okay, we have the lock on the stump, and we're gonna try to open it by using this wrench. Let's start. I'm not using huge amount of force. It won't open instantly, but eventually it will. This is completely out of ordinary method. In ordinary method, I will punch it from the side, but I punch it from the front, and I suppose it will open. It opened a couple of times. There it is. And the locking pole is still intact. As you see. I'm not lying or making some kind of false opening, like in many YouTuber cases, especially those from Asia. You see the locking pole still works. Let's try again, so to be sure that it's not a fluke. It does work again. Let's focus. It does work again. So let's try one more time. We have it open almost instantly. Let's try one more time. I don't have third hand to show you that this lock is completely locked. I don't like to cheat. So let's punch again. There it is. We got it open. So, in case of cheap Chinese padlocks, those yellow or gray ones, kinetic attack from every side works. Why? Because this is completely junky lock. Soft sinter iron, soft zinc core, brass locking pole, and weak spring. So don't expect much from such padlock and don't buy them. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.